to the world of quantum computing. This is Roshan here. In previous lecture, we understood about the working of Pauli-X gate, Y gate. Now it's time to understand Pauli-Z gate. It is also called as phase flip gate. It is also called as phase flip gate. So in phase flip gate, what happens is it changes the sign of the first state. That means changes the sign of the excited state. It changes the sign of excited state. That means if you are having an excited state with positive sign, it will result in negative. If you are having a negative sign, it will result in positive. Only for the gate 1, not gate, sorry, for the first bit. Okay, that is how I mentioned here. The input is alpha ground state and beta excited state. Here you can observe beta excited state is having positive, but whereas here beta excited state results in negative. Okay, same as I said earlier, in quantum computing, for every quantum gate there will be matrix representation. So we'll see matrix representation for Z gate. Matrix representation. Okay, Z. So Z is represented like this in the IBM quantum quickset. Sorry, Z is represented in this state. Okay, now we'll understand about matrix representation. Equal to 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Again, here it is important to remember the matrix representation of Z gate. Okay, so we'll take an example and we'll understand how it works. So we'll apply Z gate on ground state and Z gate on excited state. So Z gate is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. How will represent the 0 in matrix? 1, 0. How will represent 1 in matrix? 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and 0, 1. Perfect. So simple matrix multiplication. What it will be? 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into anything 0. So 0 into 1 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0. It is nothing as 0 state again. So whatever we are passing as input, the output is also the same in Pauli-Z gate. But what happens if you apply it on first bit, I mean qubit of excited state? What happens? 1 into 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 minus 1. So it results the same state but flips its phase, flipping its phase. That means positive phase of first qubit is resulting in negative phase. So have completed the basic gates, Pauli-X gate, Y gate and Z gate. Now I'll just make a simple understanding of each of the gates. Okay, Pauli-X gate, 1 will be returned as 0, 0 will be returned as 1. Pauli-Y gate, it flips the bit. Okay, it flips the phase of a bit. So 0 will be returned as How? I, I1. Or you can write it in this way, 0, I. How it will flip? Minus I, 0. Or you can write it as minus I, 1, 0. If you are new to the channel and if you are worrying about how did it come, please refer to the previous classes. I have explained the Pauli-Z gate clearly and Z gate. If it is zeroth state, it will result in same. But if it is in one state, it changes the phase of the state. Positive phase will be changed to negative. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video with few more gates. Until then, keep watching. Do subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.